All right, welcome to This Explainer. Today, we are cutting right through the glossy marketing and diving headfirst into the unfiltered customer reviews of a seriously popular, highly aesthetic gadget, the HOTO laser measuring tool. We're going to look past those slick promotional images and dig into what everyday users are actually experiencing once they get this thing out of the box. So, is it finally time to ditch the tape measure? Look, if you've ever tackled a weekend project, you know the struggle. You're trying to measure a room, the flimsy metal tape snaps back, it bends right in the middle, or you end up needing a second person just to hold the other end. We've all been there, right? Well, the promise of this little device is that those days are officially over.
The core appeal here is incredibly straightforward. It's all about replacing the clunky, analog struggle of pulling metal tape with a sleek, pocket-sized digital solution. The manufacturer, HOTO, presents a device that weighs a mere 0.09 pounds. I mean, that is basically the footprint of a credit card. It's designed to just slip right into your pocket or even attach to a keychain, completely replacing those bulky tool belt staples with simple, one-button operation.
Specs and hype. What exactly is the manufacturer promising here? Well, let's see how this device built its award-winning reputation in the first place. On paper, HOTO isn't just selling a standard tool. They're essentially selling a premium tech experience that's just disguised as a tape measure, and they heavily market it as the ultimate Father's Day or housewarming gift.
Just look at these technical promises for a second, because the specs are undeniably impressive. We've got a Class 2 laser, boasting a range from just under 2 inches all the way up to 98 feet. That's like measuring across an entire basketball court. It promises high accuracy, within 1/16 of an inch. It's also blazingly fast, giving you a reading in 0.2 seconds. And, keeping with modern tech trends, it charges via USB-C, claiming you can get up to 500 measurements on a single charge. It honestly sounds like the perfect pocket tool.
Okay, but let's pivot to reality for a minute. With an overall 4.1-star rating from nearly 2,000 customers, the consensus is mostly really positive. 62% of buyers give it a glowing 5-star review, but a combined 14% rated it just 1 or 2 stars. That tells us right away that while the vast majority are thrilled, there's a very vocal minority experiencing some real friction out in the wild. So, what do customers actually love? When we dig into the positive reviews, some really specific themes emerge almost immediately, painting a crystal-clear picture of who this tool delights the most. 61. Out of all the written feedback we analyzed, 61 customers specifically called out its ease of use. People absolutely love the fact that you do not have to be a master carpenter to figure this thing out. One user perfectly captured this simplicity, saying it is easy to use. There's one button on the side that you push once to start the measurement and then push a second time to record. Buyers, especially real estate agents who are rapidly checking room dimensions for a listing, just rave about this exact workflow. Point, click, boom. The measurement is locked in. No fuss, no complex menus to navigate. Moving over to the physical design, 49 customers highlighted the impressively compact size. Buyers are genuinely surprised and super pleased by how small it actually feels in the hand. A lot of people even put a quarter next to it in their review photos just to show the scale. Just listen to this review. The device itself is wonderful, compact, beautiful, and well built. It feels good in the hand and is just a pleasure to hold and use. This minimalist aesthetic really resonates with buyers who want a premium-feeling gadget. And that's not a coincidence. This design actually won the 2022 IF Design Award. It doesn't look like rugged construction equipment at all. It looks like high-end consumer electronics. The flaws and frustrations, because, hey, it's not all sunshine and perfectly measured baseboards. Let's shift to the consistent pain points raised by everyday users, because for all its award-winning design, that 14% of highly critical reviews brings up some incredibly valid functional concerns. 28. That is how many negative mentions we found explicitly regarding screen readability. This is a massive functional hurdle, right? Because the entire purpose of this device is to display numbers to you. Despite the low-power OLED marketing claims promising crisp visuals, real-world users find that the protective matte coating effectively diffuses the screen. One buyer noted, "The display is fuzzy and difficult to read, even in good lighting, thanks to a matte gray layer on top." Sure, it looks sleek when turned off, but that finish makes fractional numbers super blurry, which is a deal-breaker for professionals needing to verify exact measurements at a glance. And then we have the companion app. This racked up 24 distinct negative mentions regarding its compatibility and, honestly, its intrusive nature. This right here is where the premium, frictionless experience really starts to fall apart for a lot of buyers.
The intense frustration is just palpable. One user vented, "To make the most of this product, you're expected to install a super shady smartphone app that wants way too many permissions. People just wanted a simple standalone tool, but to unlock basic features, you're heavily pushed to use the Xiaomi Home app, which many felt was tedious to set up and asked for way too much private data just to log a tape measure reading."
Get this! The irony is just thick. Let's say you want to change your measurements from meters to inches, or maybe you want the tool to measure from the front of the device instead of the back. Step 1. Download the invasive app. Step 2. Grant permissions and create an account. Step 3. Finally make the switch. You literally cannot do that on the tool itself. You have to sync via Bluetooth and change it on your phone. It totally exposes the convoluted steps required just to unlock basic functionality.
The final verdict. Okay, let's pull all this data and feedback together and figure out who this tool is actually built for. Because clearly, depending on what you need, this is either the best $40 you'll ever spend or a frustrating gadget that'll just sit at the bottom of your toolbox.
There's a very clear divide here. On one hand, for real estate agents estimating rooms or homeowners checking furniture placement, it is a fantastic, fast, and highly aesthetic tool. It's an amazing gift. But on the flip side, if you are a contractor needing crystal clear outdoor displays or someone who despises creating user accounts just to change a simple setting, this is going to fall totally short for your heavy-duty work.
A cool gadget or an essential tool. Ultimately, the HOTO laser measure really straddles that line between lifestyle tech and functional hardware. Based on everything we've unpacked today, do you think this is just a sleek gadget to show off or a genuinely essential tool for your daily life? Thanks for exploring this with us, and as always, keep questioning what's behind the hype.